Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So, checking in on a daily Bitcoin update. Hasn't been able to hold the rotation zone, closing just below it, staying above the 50% retracement level right now, 62.53. Let me just fix this so I can see the price is better. There we go. Same levels to the upside. We're going from these lows to the most recent highs, same projections, 67.46. Then it looks like we have this cluster about 68.44 to 68.50. If it can get above this key area to watch for if we continue to pull back is about 62.53. You see the prior price action support right here and here, and it's a 50% retracement from this up move. The level we don't want to see it close below is the 61.54. If it closes below 61.54, then we're expecting more retesting of the recent lows. No other pattern here yet to trade on, especially with it below the rotation zone again. There's just nothing to do but sit on our hands and check in on the daily chart. We're in the middle of the rotation zone and rotated back down. It'll be interesting though to see where this closes. The 8 is right here. You see where the 8 pretty much is where it's trading as the time of this recording. It'd be better if it closed, if it stayed above this about 64.16 level and closed up a little higher. Then if it closes back down below the rotation zone, that's not as good a sign. But again, you see the 21 declining coming in right now. It's about 66.89, 66.90. Going to keep declining towards the 66.47. So that's going to be the very key resistance it has to get through. And again, 67.46, and then the major area we'll be watching if it does manage to rally and get above the rotation zone is 68.50. Checking in on Ethereum. Ethereum did run up to our 318, poking above the 318 level. You see that coming back down, catching on the rotation zone, and then stalling out around our 312 level, then dropping like a rock. I'm going to update these levels in case we do get a rally on this. Big red bar was not a very good sign though. Have the 50% retracement, which we caught on. You see the prior price action here. Some key, we had resistance over here, resistance then becoming support here, and again support, and also the 50% retracement. So that was a key retracement area for a rotation back up. Now overhead resistance is coming in at 310. Here's another interesting thing. If we go from here to there, look at that cluster right there. If we sell off again, 277 pretty much on the dot is the key support of the bottom, 62.5% retracement, and the bottom we do not want a close below that level. So if we move back down, really pay attention. That's 277 level. If we do drop below that, next minor level is 272, but that's not a good sign because then I'd be watching for it eventually to go down to at least retest the 260 area. Let's check in on the daily chart. So yesterday we did close in the rotation zone, haven't been able to hold it. It would have to rally pretty substantially back above about 310 to get back into the rotation zone. That's going to take a little bit of work right now, so no major pattern. If we do get it back above the 321, 329, 330, and then 339 are the next key levels. The top of the rotation zone coming in now with the 37.5 retracement at 350. So if we do get a stronger rally, definitely take profits or move up your stops aggressively if we do close in on that 350 area. But nothing really to do just besides updating the levels. And if you did do bottom fishing in here and have been picking stuff up, make sure you're moving up your stops, and you're especially don't ignore if we get below the 277 mark, because that will not be good for Ethereum. So we have for you today. We'll check back in tomorrow and see how it's unfolding with Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.